Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add a language, and as you can see we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages in this model from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick French, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so let me pick for example France, and as you can see it has been immediately applied to the list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to actually set new language as a default, all you have to do is to simply tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now you can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it actually immediately changes, so it means that from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, it immediately changes. Of course, you can remove the language from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon and confirm it. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.